Good performance. CCA, copper-coated aluminum, for easy electrical conductivity and power transfer. Durable cables. 4-gauge 20 FT 200 amp heavy-duty battery jumper cables. Tangle-free design. PVC insulated cables remain flexible at -40 F, -40 C to 167 F, 75 C. Considerate design. Easy to connect with step guide label. Strong clamps. Clamp jaw designed for side and top post. Strong spring make the clamp hold up terminal well and no falling off. Multiple applications. This booster cable is perfect for cars, motorcycles, trucks, vans and SUVs. 5-year warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Nice and long. These jumper cables are fantastic. They are heavy-duty and 20 feet long. I already used them to jump a Ford F-550 dump truck and they worked flawlessly. The other vehicle that jumped me did not have to get grill to grill because these are so long. He just backed up next to me and they reached with plenty left over. Can't beat them for under $25 with the coupon. The clamps have jaws like a tiger and a heavy-duty spring for a super tight grip on the terminals. Nice.